guys, it's me Suchismita and welcome back to my channel Bound Coding. So today's video is going to be a chit chat kind of a video. I will say you about me, what I do, what I may aim, what is my hobby. So guys, I want to say you that I'm a bit sick today because I just came from Kolkata to my home place for 2 weeks and I'm so happy for this. I'm relaxed. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go into the video. So first I'm going to use the Oriflame Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm just applying it on my T-zone. You don't need to apply it all over your face. You can only apply it on a problematic areas. And then I'm applying Maybelline Fit Matte and Poreless Foundation and I'm in the shade Warm Nude. And then I'm dotting my face first. Don't forget to apply on your neck because otherwise your face will look a very white. And then blending it with a blending brush. And now our blending is done. We will move straight to the concealer, and for that I am using Maybelline Fit concealer and I am in the shade medium. First I am applying it on my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to highlight my face with the same concealer. I'm almost done with this concealer because this is my go-to concealer. I prefer this, to be honest. And then using the same blending brush, and then I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and I'm in the shade Dulche the Leche, and I'm using this shade right here to set all my concealer. I'm actually setting all my face because I don't want to like my concealer to settle on my fine lines. So our concealer is settled now, so we will move straight to our eyes. So for this I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Rosy in the Air. I really had to struggle to get my hands on this palette, and I'm using this orange shade right here as my transition color. excuse me guys for those noise. I said my house is on the main road. I'm helpless actually. Now as you guys can see, I am hardly putting any pressure on my eyes, and I'm hardly putting any pressure guys, so I'm just blending it lightly. Using this shade right now to give that gradient, that depth into my eyelid. So guys, if you want to know what I do, I'm basically a student and I read in Heritage Academy, and I am studying in BCA and I am in my final year. So if you want to know why I chose to do YouTube, because I actually love doing makeup. Since I used to read in class 10, so it was not like as I was saying, Jay, when I used to read in class 10, from that time only I was very enthusiastic about makeup. I literally used to do makeup on my mother, on my aunt, on my cousins, during any occasions. So now we are going to cut our crease. Now we have cut our crease. We are going to apply this light pink shade. Now it's done, and now I'm using Maybelline New York the colossal liner to draw winged eyeliner. First you go with the short strokes. Now I'm using the Euro Girl eyebrow palette. Can I spare a few moments on appreciation of this palette? Can you see the colors? So beautiful. I'm taking this shade from the middle. Doing your eyebrows can bring so much of change in your look. This is damn pigmented. So I have applied my lashes off camera because it takes my life to put it. Then I am using Wet n Wild coloricon blush. And we'll be applying it on the apples of my cheek. And then I'm using the same contouring palette which I used for setting my foundation and face, and I'm using this shade right here to bronze up my face. I think this shade is a bit lighter for my skin tone because it doesn't pop up. Can see my bronzer because it's very light for my skin tone. Then to highlight my face, I am using Sivanna Shimmer Brick. It's one of my favorite if you guys know. And applying it on my inner corners. basically in all of the high points of my face. For lipstick I am using Sugar Nothing Else Matter lipstick in the shade Nude Vibes. As the eyes are so bold, so I am going for a nude lips. And I am going for a mauvey nude. So yeah guys, that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Comment down below which kind of makeup look you want me to do, and also share your suggestions guys. So yeah, I will be coming up with more exciting looks, with more skincare routine, more home DIYs for skin. So yeah guys, bye. Take care.